Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in two open collaborations. The first one is hosted by Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. Her hashtag is Crafty Thursday. I'm also joining in hashtag Project Share Thursday, hosted by Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. Both of their channels will be linked down below. I decided to pull out some 6x6 paper pads that I had matching ephemera for. The first paper collection that I used is the On Trend from My Mind's Eye. I have used this paper pad several times in the past. It has a good selection of ephemera as well. I decided to make two cards using this collection. This is the first one. The only thing that I did do was add some little extras. The rest are all from the collection. I think it came out super cute. This is the next one. Everything is from the collection except the little extras. I did add a little bow here, some stickles. I stamped it hello. This is a greetings from Arizona. Those are the two projects that I made using the My Mind's Eye on Trend 2 collection. The next paper collection that I used is from the We Are Memory Keepers Flower Girl. It is a really super fun paper pad. I also have the ephemera pack for that. For this one, I also used my macaroon die and a little tag die. Let's check out the projects that I made creating that. This first card, I used all of the ephemera from the ephemera pack. This ephemera pack does have the shiny ephemera. It's not my favorite, but it does have a nice selection of ephemera. The next one that I created is the macaroon card. This paper inspired me to dig out my macaroon die. I think it came out so sweet. I found some crinkle ribbon that matched, added a bow, some liquid pearls, as well as some flowers. This was also part of the ephemera pack. Sharon and I were talking about flocking that is now available at Hobby Lobby. I was inspired to pull out my flock for this next project. I used this paper pad, 3 Bugs in a Rug, Ellie, and I also used this Prima collection. I love this one, and I always have such a hard time cutting into it. This is the project that I created using it. I did lots of layering, some inking. I did put some stickles along the side. This is my cotton candy. I did use my cotton candy die. This is the flocking that I used. It is the Martha Stewart brand, and I don't believe they make this anymore. And I decided to add this cute little spoon on the side. I wanted to give it a little something extra, and I thought it was so adorable. I want to start using my charms. I love how this one turned out. It's so super fun. Those are my project shares for Jen and Mary Ellen. I thank you both for having these open collaborations. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.